Guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. Wanted to show you one of my clients. This client over here, we did $3 million in ad spend this year. So we spent $3 million this year to date in ad spend. And in ad sales, we did $17 million in sales. Total sales year to date, see January to September 25th, we did almost $22 million in sales. That's great because last year, the same date range, we did $17 million in sales. So we're ahead of the game. If you look at our tacos, it's 14.8%. You know what? I usually like it 10% or less, but this is not bad for where it is, especially since we're in growth mode. Last year, we did 17 million. This year, we're up to 22. We're ahead of the game, and that's really where we're going for now. As long as we're keeping the tacos healthy below 15%, this is the threshold. As long as we're keeping it 15% or less, we are profitable, and we're doing the right things. We're growing at the right pace. Just wanted to put this video out there, show you guys that it is possible to do better than you did last year. Amazon is not getting harder and harder. It's not like every year the sales are less and less. No, you could do much better than you did last year. You just have to be on top of the strategies and know what's going on and work hard at it. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.